Hey everybody, how's it going? It's John here from the Crypto Bay. Welcome to another market review video. Please bear in mind this is not financial advice. So we've seen a bit of recovery today in the market. It was looking like it was going to be a huge drop earlier on in the day, but then the Bitcoin price jumped up about 200, 300 in the space of about an hour. The rest of the market followed, with altcoins showing better than the Bitcoin gains. Market cap is up about 20 billion at 324 billion. 24-hour volume is at about 18.5, and Bitcoin dominance is down to 39.2%. It was at about 39.4, 39.5% this morning. Out of the top 10, we're seeing some big gainers with Cardano at 10.83%. The only one which is really in the red is EOS, with Tron slightly being in the red. EOS is actually a bit in the news today with a Chinese security firm showing that its software may have some flaws, and its mainnet launch is approaching soon, so this is key news. So let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart. Earlier on today, we were really testing the 7,100 levels. It was looking very bearish. We were forming lower lows and lower highs for quite a long period, and it looked like we were set for another drop below the 7,000, and looked like we were going to maybe hold below there for a while. But around 11 a.m. this morning, there was some buyers coming in on the order book, and in the space of an hour we jumped from around 7,100 up to 7,400. Briefly went up to the 7,500 with not holding. Then over the next few hours, buyers started to come in and gradually put the pressure up back to the 7,500 level again to test. So this spot here, 7,500, has been acting as a resistance level. So it'll be interesting to see over the next few hours if the buyers can come in to push it over this mark. This rise was really out of the blue, as a lot of technical analysts who specialize in cryptocurrencies were expecting further drops. Tony Vay's been one who's been very vocal about believing Bitcoin has yet to see below 6,000 this year. So also another coin which I was saying in the top 10, the only one which is in the red, EOS, because its mainnet launch is approaching fast. Chinese security firm has pointed out that there's a bug in the software, and this bug essentially allows people to gain control of the nodes in the network, and then this means that attackers can essentially manipulate transactions and print transactions for their own benefit. With EOS today, it's not so much movement. With the rest of the market rallying on this news, EOS hasn't responded great. However, it has been noted that Daniel Larimer has opened a case on GitHub and closed it, so it appears that this fault in the software has been sorted out. And Daniel Larimer also posted on Twitter that there's going to be a bug bounty of 10,000 for anybody who can find any further bugs in the software before the mainnet launch. So he is keen to release the software on time. And we also have Ethereum seeing a drop over yesterday, and this seems to be due to EOS selling off the large amount of Ether which it's raised during its large 1-year ICO sale. We were seeing about 9 times the usual volume coming in on Bitfinex. We had about 180,000 EOS Ether being traded in 1 hour on Bitfinex, and we have the usual volume being 20,000 Ether per hour. We have seen a recovery today. I would imagine what's happening here is EOS selling their Ether to gain access to fiat to pay developers or to fund some key members of Block 1 who've played a key role in producing the software. But we have seen a recovery today, and the market Ether price has basically shook it off and came back into sync with the rest of the market. Another bit of news, we have the third time Verge has suffered a 51% attack. So last week was the last time it suffered a 51% attack, and Verge has recently been in the news with its partnership with Pornhub, and it's having all these great partnerships and great marketing. It wants to partner with Spotify, but if there is a fault in its fundamentals and it can be prone to attacks, or it's just a general shite coin, then buying in on news such as this coming out isn't really a good idea. So this once again means that for any coin you want to invest in, don't just buy in on hype. Make sure to do your own research. And just because some partnerships are announced, these can easily be reversed if the coin isn't secure or it has some problems. That's it for the market review today, guys. Tune in again tomorrow and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.